Hello everyone, welcome you all to the session of Enjoy Learning. Today I would like to introduce before all of you what is Enjoy Learning all about. Enjoy Learning is an organization which is meant for the development and upliftment of the student society. It works on different aspects with regard to the student society. Basically, because you see, most often it is found in the earlier period of the student life. Many questions arises in front of the students, like why should a child or why should a student go to school? What is the significance of education? And is there any specific educational tips for the students so that they can enjoy learning process in their student life? But most often it is found that students cannot enjoy the learning process. It might be because of many reasons. It might be because of the environment of their home. It might be because of the environment at a school. It might be the environment of the society also. So what is the solution then? Because sometimes it is seen that the students suffer a lot, because if they cannot bring a good result, they get scolding from the parents who shouts at them. Even it is found that some students have been provided corporal punishment. So students consider this study or the learning process as a nightmare for them. And they consider it to be one of the very greatest tasks of their life. Though it is the task which will let them build a bright future, but still they cannot realize that. The student life is considered to be the golden era of their life, but that cannot be realized because of these so many factors. So now, what is the solution then? What is the remedy then? How to make these students enjoy learning process? Till today, from lot of the interactions with the students, parents and college students, in fact, it is found that they are suffering a lot without any solution. All of them are running after the mirrors or confusions, and they cannot have a solution. So what is the solution? Again, my question is, what is the solution then? So in order to find out the solution, the Enjoy Learning has started this initiative of interacting with the students, interacting with the parents, interacting with the teachers also. And after interactions, in my last 4 or 5 years of experience, the Enjoy Learning has brought some of the solutions which had been shared with many of my students in group, individual also, and also parents has been coached, guided and encouraged them to become the real facilitator, the real guide and the real philosopher for their children. So now Enjoy Learning is on that mission of trying to find out solution for the students, so that in future days they will become the good citizen of the society and can contribute to the man making and nation building process of the society. So with this aim and ambition, Enjoy Learning has started his journey. In due course of time, you friends will be coming to know about Enjoy Learning in details. If you go on continuing watching my YouTube channel titled as Enjoy Learning 2. So bye for today. Thank you and all the best.